about the weather and these severe storms that could potentially make their way to the Triad, but there's some good news because of that cold front, right?
Yeah, the cold front is coming in, but it's really that tonight we've had a lot of energy moving north of us, and so that northerly movement and southeasterly movement of that energy is going to diminish our severe weather overnight, but not entirely. We still have a chance to see a couple strong storms. We've already seen some heavy downpours out there, so some localized flooding not out of the question. That's our highest risk for any severe potential overnight. Damaging wind gusts from any thunderstorm is always a possibility, but high damaging gusts, we're talking over 60 miles an hour, a little less likely right now as our severe weather risk has dropped from the Severe Storm Prediction Center. You can see showers and thunderstorms are now starting to spread east toward folks in Sparta, areas in Wilkes County, McGrady getting in on some of these showers and thunderstorms. And so there are going to be some heavy pockets. You might even get some of those tree branches coming down here and there, as we do have some gusts that'll come out of some of these isolated storms over the next couple of hours. So through 2 a.m. we'll be watching this area, especially northern Piedmont, western foothills. Triad, you might start to see more of your showers and storms fill in tomorrow. The good news is the risk develops farther to our east and along the coast tomorrow for that slight risk area. This is what it should look like as we go overnight. A couple of isolated showers or storms. Some might be heavy in the mountains, but we've got those storm chances on all the way through middle of the day for you. We begin to see things tapering off. Now, some of this might just be scattered showers by 1, 2 o'clock, but we could still see one more round as we go into early evening. It'll be breezy, winds out of the west-northwest at 8 to 15. If you have more sunshine, you're going to warm up nicely. At least 66 for folks in Mount Airy and Wilkesboro, and we expect you to clear out a little sooner. Can't rule out again 1 or 2 showers that are going to be spotty at the end of this event as the cold front continues to march east. Better shower and storm chances are going to be earlier in the morning, and we might see a couple of those storms, as we mentioned, produce some very heavy super soakers. So we'll watch for that. Meteorologist Brian Slocum's also going to watch for any increase in isolated severe weather as we go throughout the day and watch that cold front push from west to east. 49 in the mountains tomorrow morning. So we do see a cool down, and you might warm into the mid and upper 50s here with winds out of the west-northwest at 10 to 20 miles an hour. But those isolated showers will kick in thanks to that upper low that's spinning back to the west of our front. Here's what we have developed in the last hour. Scattered showers are now beginning to lift over Winston-Salem and Greensboro. Some of these do not contain lightning strikes, so this is good news, but scattered showers lifting in suggests that we're going to be getting some more activity as we head into the next 3-4 hours. So by 4 a.m. you should have seen some showers and isolated storm. Not everyone gets the rain, though. It looks to be spotty, at least to start. And those heavy downpours are starting to impact folks in Sparta, McGrady now, and over Jefferson. We're seeing that thunderstorm cell move east. So some of these are holding together. They're non-severe at this point across most of North Carolina. Those showers, though, becoming more active as we go off and on through early morning. Sparta, Abshers Hayes, in North Wilkesboro, you can see good soaking showers at this hour. 421 might be slick, so if you're heading out overnight, watch for those areas that might have seen too much rain. Make sure you're checking into on WXI 12's news app. McGrady, Moxley, and Trap Hill, we should see those storms continue to move east through about midnight, and we're looking at that 77 corridor also becoming a little bit wet here within the next couple of hours. We're looking really at within the next hour, from Dren through Zephyr. If these continue to push east and hold together, they're moving at about 33 miles an hour. A lot of that energy that helped to bring in the severe weather stayed south of us because of the upper flow. Most of that is south of us and north and northeast for that flow here, and that's keeping us from most of the severe weather tonight. So we like that trend. Your rainfall totals overnight may be high in spots, but not everyone is only going to see those heavy downpours. We could see nothing in a few locations. Look at the rainfall forecast as we go throughout the morning hours and midday. 1/10 to 1/4 inch. For some of you who see those thunderstorms, though, you could see those super soakers and get an inch total or more in a couple of those spots. By Saturday, we're still talking about a couple of showers lingering for you, and temperatures that are in the 70s now will not be so warm. We've got those temps actually in the 60s and 50s for the weekend. Snow chances also possible in the mountains as we go Friday night into Saturday. Here's a look at the 7-day forecast for the Piedmont Triad. Windy on your Friday, sprinkles on Saturday, 60s back on Sunday, and nice to have 70s returning on Monday.